Why every dyer should try resin art DIY. Did you know that resin art has surged in popularity among DIYers, hobbyists, and craft beginners alike? This mesmerizing art form is everywhere. Instagram feeds, YouTube tutorials, and even local craft fairs. It's not just trendy, it's a gateway to an exciting world of creativity and skill building. In this video, we're teaming up with the talented at DIY Perks, who's been captivating audiences with awe-inspiring resin projects. Whether you're here exploring hobbies or curious about crafting, resin art might just become your new favorite pastime. Resin art is more than just an Instagram-worthy craft. It's an opportunity to unleash your creativity and create functional or decorative art with a glossy, professional-looking finish. From coasters to jewelry, the possibilities are endless. However, many beginners hesitate, believing resin art to be too expensive, time-consuming, or tricky to master. Here's the truth. With the right guidance and some basic tools, anyone can dive into resin art at their own pace. Crafting isn't about perfection. It's about experimenting and discovering the joy of making something with your own hands. Stick with us as we show you how it's easier than you think. Getting into resin art doesn't require a long shopping list or fancy equipment. At its core, you'll need resin, which typically comes in two parts: resin and hardener, mixing tools, protective gloves, and a mold or a flat surface to pour on. If you're feeling adventurous, you can add extras like pigments, glitter, or even pressed flowers to customize your creation. As a beginner, start small. Maybe a decorative keychain or coaster. Simple projects like these are fun, affordable, and quick to make, and they'll boost your confidence. Think of resin art as a mini science project meets artistic experimentation. Just weigh, mix, and pour. Once you see that glossy glass-like finish, you'll be hooked. If you've ever wondered what's possible with resin art, wait until you see it DIY Perks in action. In this feature, we'll highlight a jaw-dropping project where resin, creativity, and craftsmanship combine to make something extraordinary. Whether it's using bold colors or embedding delicate objects like leaves or lights, you'll see firsthand how resin art can transform a simple idea into a masterpiece. Watching this project will inspire you to think big, even as a beginner. Remember, every expert started exactly where you are right now, with curiosity and a willingness to try. Still on the fence? Here's the best part about resin art. It's not just about what you create. It's about the joy of the process itself. Crafting can relieve stress, spark innovation, and give you a sense of accomplishment. Plus, unlike other art forms, resin pieces make practical items, unique gifts, home decor, or even items you can sell if you want to turn your hobby into a side hustle. Resin art encourages exploration, and it's a perfect addition for anyone eager to dabble in crafts. It's not about being afraid of making mistakes. It's about enjoying the journey and embracing every happy accident along the way. We hope you're excited to give resin art a try. Leave a comment below letting us know what you'd love to create, or if you've already tried your hand at working with resin. Feeling inspired? Check out another DIY project on our channel for more hobby exploration ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Your next creative adventure awaits. Let's make it unforgettable. Thanks for watching.